my brother likes to play cricket. So my brother another single इंसान की बात कर रही तो this is singular. So my brother likes to play. My brothers like to play cricket. Brothers are ना brothers बहुत सारे हुए एक से ज़्यादा हुए. So this is plural. Now when the subject is one of followed by plural noun. One of the people, one of the players, the verb is singular to abbreviate. One verb is said with one said. So, for example, one of the student in my class say in the national junior hockey ki one of the students, मतलब a student is a. One of my friend likes swimming. मतलब very friend जैसे एक उसको भी पसंद है. When a subject when a sentence has two singular subject, the sentence में क्या होता है? दो singular subject होता है. जो किस होते हैं? Conjunction से and the verb must be plural. The verb क्या होगी? Plural होती है. For example, Jatidhar Puja has not come today. When beet, rice and barley are cereals. Now, for example, when two or more noun represent a compound name. जब two और more नाम क्या represent करते हैं? Compound name represent करते हैं किसी एक person का या thing का. Then the compound unit is thought of as single. The compound unit को कैसे समझते हैं? Single and takes a singular power. Thus, this singular word से use किया. His friends and benefactor has some to see him. उसके friends और benefactor को easily I. This premiers is strikes में ये prime है. So singular as bread and butter is for some food. So when the sentence begins with introductory, there is a necessary introductory say. So the verb agrees with the subject that follow. So walk is saying कि जो subject में follow कर रहा है. Now for example, there was a dreadful accident last night. क्या था? Dreadful accident था last night. There are 40 students in our class. कितने students हैं? 40 students हमारे class 3. So a lot of, plenty of, take a plural verb. जो a lot of हो या plenty of हो गए उनको पे चीज़ plural verb चाहिए होती है. When they denote number, जो उसका denote करता है number denote करे, they take a singular verb then they denote a quantity of some singular verb से चीज़ क्यों में quantity of amount input करता है वो. For example, there were a lot of people at the concert. किससे से lot of people से concert में. There are a lot of rivers in our country. बहुत a lot of rivers है किसमें country में. There are plenty of things to do this summer. So a number of is always followed by plural. जो number है is this a plural plural. Bosses it means a several on many. So the क्या होता है several on many होगा. For example, there have been a number of accidents this year though. Is accidents आ गया ना this year. Number of बहुत सारे accidents. So a singular collective noun such as crowd of people, a gang of thieves, a board of directors, a committee of soldiers takes a singular verb. इसमें क्या चाहिए नहीं singular verb चाहिए होती है. Like there was crowds of people in the street. किसका crowd? The people का था. So a gang of thieves was seen entering the village at night. A new board आ गया ना directors has been elected. A flock of sheep was grazing in the field. Now a dozen says it denotes a period notice. It doesn't know yes so your cat did open the period notice get that and takes a fewer boy. So period notice for example, there are dozen ants in the tree. That dozen is other ants away. A pair of when applied to things, a pair of जो apply the things as scissors हो गया. Shoes, trousers, where two components are always thought of as a unit. तो like को एक unit माना जाता है उन दोनों को क्या होती है singular form होता है. Like there is a pair of scissors in the drawer. This is a new pair of shoes. There was pair of trousers in the laundry. Pair आ गया हाँ तो एक से ज़्यादा ही होगा. Now, but if you make the word as up, the words appear and only use a plural word. जो pair word का जो क्या इसमें plural word use करते हैं तो यहाँ चाहिए कि वो plural verb ही चाहिए होती है. For example, the scissors are in the drawer. Scissors are in the drawer. His shoes were new. His trousers were torn. So as words कुछ words होते हैं scissors और shoes तो एक ही क्या होता है plural word ही होता है. Class names or categories such as clothing, footwear, crockery, custody, furniture, and stationery are singular and must therefore take a singular verb. Singular ही हो जा रहा है तो चाहिए singular verb ही चाहिए होती है. The furniture in our house was beautiful. The furniture तो same हो दिया था everyone का. The stationery used in our offices poor is all poor. Just stationery use होती है हमारे office में क्या poor quality है. So news क्या होता है? News is thought it is a news for it is a plural form. हमें लग सकता है वो plural form है but क्या होती है? Singular use हम freak करते हैं. Where divided wise and information are never used in a plural. Like what is the latest news? क्या latest news है? Not news is good news. कोई video produce नहीं होती. So he gave me a lot of good advice. Not a lot of good advices. Good advice बोलेंगे ना और ये कुल बोलेंगे not a good advices. So there is plenty of information on this subject on the internet. Plenty आ गया. So, name of certain physics and of static science or branches of knowledge which end in S. जो भी सैन हो रही होगी एसेंटिव्स क्योंकि सिंगुलर होती है मीजल्स माउंट मैथमेटिक्स फिजिक्स इकोनॉमिक्स ह्यूमन वाइज फॉर एग्जांपल मीजल्स इज an infectious disease. Human rights is an important subject these days. Physics is an important branch of science. Physics क्या है ऐसी रखिएगा बड़ी क्या सिंगुलर somehow and the other section take a plural. इसको क्या चाहिए plural चाहिए होती है if the references to number like that is the two thing or that are countable. But a singular verb is the if the references to a mode of quantity that is uncountable. Like for example, some of the houses were dark in thing is some of the house. Some of our houses as houses we are dark in the natural. Some of the milk was split on the floor. Half of the eggs. Half of ये भी क्या keyword आ गया sick on us. Half of the eggs were rotted. Half of the land was buried. So ठीक है और कुछ काउंटेबल है कुछ अनकाउंटेबल होते हैं. Many refers to number. Many किससे रेफर करता है होगा it is plural. Plural the first many and takes a plural word. Much refers to amount of quantity. Much क्या होता है और तो for कितनी खैर पता है क्योंकि वो सिंगुलर होला है और उसको सिमिलर वर्ब भी चाहिए होती है. For example, many of the flowers have no smell. Much of the country was flooded. People and cats are plural and take a plural. For example, people in our village are hard working. ये plural है और plural को भी लेता है. So the cattle were grazing. Were grazing in the sea. When a plural form applies to distance, जब आपकी plural form किसको apply होती है distance इससे weight height या मायदा Marie taken as a whole. So it is treated as a similar and takes a similar both. So treat as similar और उससे क्या चाहिए होती है similar हुआ भी चाहिए होती है. For example, 10 kilometers not great distance these days it is not are. So 200 gaps of tea cost high. Tea cost 85 rupees. 200 gaps of tea तो कितना cost है 85 rupees. Cost नहीं आई ना cost are not cost. Then 1,000 these is a lot of money not are. So is the title of book or the name of house or a hotel is plural. The title of the book the name of house it हो गया name of house है hotel है क्या plural है तो ये उसको क्या चाहिए था singular verb लेता है वो since it is only one title of one well इनको उसको पर singular verb चाहिए singular verb चाहिए like the Arabian Nights is a great saver with children. Okay, is a great favorite with children. The Seven Sisters is situated on High Road. So the product is singular verb. Each, everybody, none, either of anybody's to each, everyone of, none of, either of, nobody. So ये क्या होता है इनको क्या चाहिए थी singular verb भी रहता है like for example each guest was calendar at the end is her guest. None of the applicants, none of the applicants are yeah, कोई भी applicant किसी से भी नहीं is either of your twix engineer क्या जरूरत है तुम्हारे से वही twix engineer है your prejudice of engineer neither of neither of the boys has won a solution. Every one of the events was TV contested. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like this discussion on this lesson. Thank you and have a good day.